Hi again. So now this is my second outfit for the sandal, and we're gonna take this off. So don't worry about my short. This is just the I just use this one because it's too open. So it's short with kind of holes, lace. Call it lace. I don't know. So okay, for now I'm going to take off these red high heels. This is so sexy heels. I love it. So again, same. I still have my purple nail polish today, and then of course the other one. I also wear an anklet and also two rings. Two ring because it's only one. So it's one ring, not two rings. So by the way, this is my nail polish today. And okay, next. That's all for now.